It was very good. I loved it. I haven't been in STEAM for a while, and this is the best theme I had in a while.
Good morning, STEM Grambling. Welcome to another STEM Saturday. Today we're going to be studying math, the dancing pendulum. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to Grambling State University, and thank you to Sodexo Magic, who powers STEM Grambling. We are always grateful for the people who otherwise understand that all of our children should be exposed to the possibilities of the 21st century. And today we're going to make math fun for you. You're going to have 3 or 4 exercises to take you through different activities to teach you about the way in which math is applied in society and the way that you can use it in life and careers. So our 3rd through 12th graders, you're going to build your own pendulum. Our K through 2nd graders, guess what? You're going to build your own kite.
So a geoboard is a place that you can make geometric shapes. All right, Skylar, I love that. I love that.
Exactly, Macy. Exactly.
You have to use all 7 in each shape that you do, okay?
I want to make a fish.
Y'all are doing great. Sebastian, that's so good.
What we're doing presently is the abacus, gonna be used for counting.
Anyone can tell me what this one in the middle is? Yes, Bryson?
Tins.
You got it. Nice job.
Put it together to formulate a triangle and tape it at the top.
I just finished hanging all the nuts and bolts on the thing.
Okay, great.
So it should look like this when you're done.
We're going to move on to the next step, which is adding the rope with a ribbon. And then we'll have a kite. I love it, Ava. It looks great. And can I get a thumbs up for the activities today? Which one was y'all's favorite?
The kite. The one where we could make all those animals and trees. I like everything that we make.
Yay, I'm so glad.
We got to make stuff to do math problems, and I really actually love math. That's my favorite subject. So that added on to how much I loved it.
I knew he would love it. I didn't anticipate him loving it this much, but I knew he would love it. And, he just hadn't had a lot of activities during this season. So I knew this would be something that he would really enjoy doing this Saturday. And it would be something we could do together.
When you get a background in mathematics, it not only makes you very confident, it builds your self-esteem, but it opens up many doors.